Okay, so I did a quick compass calibration, starting the
Take
bird
off.
up, and I'm going to take off here.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, I'm glad it's updated. All right, so going to go up a little bit so you can see the sights. We're actually out here at a place called Innisfree. Let's see, we're just about, there we are. We're at 100 feet. So we're looking south right now, and we're looking at a fair-sized lake over there with an island in it and all kinds of neat stuff. And I'm going to swing the bird around a little bit and show you the rest of the sights. So look at the golden fields of wheat ready to be harvested, and as we spin around, and there's Highway 16 to the west, Yellowhead, and now we're looking to the north. You see a lot of towers and stuff. This is in the town is called Innisfree. It's not a very big place, but it's hiding over there behind the towers, and we'll spin back around here and give you a kind of an eastern view, and you can see Highway 16 heading to the east there. But what I really wanted to do was I kind of sort of wanted to fly out to that island, and I know that's being a little risky. We are at 100 feet, and we're going to try it. We're going to go over there, at least a ways. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully I won't lose the bird. And we'll see if we can get a good 1,000 feet away, and then we'll check things. And we should be heading right over the highway right about now. Okay, so there we're just over 1,000 feet away, and as you can see, that lake is getting a little bit bigger, and that actually goes around quite a ways in the back there. I'm actually going to get a little bit more elevation here. We'll bring it up to maybe a couple hundred feet, just so we see some more of this beautiful lake in the background. Getting it up to just about 200, okay, 206 feet. So anyway, you can see that it's gotten a little bit bigger, and we'll swing back around back to the east this time, just so you can kind of see the highway. And okay. Oh, well, it says I'm temporarily disconnected. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to hit the home button. Okay, I'm confirming for it to come home. Yeah. Nice, we're disconnected. Well, is she coming back? Yeah, she's coming back to us. We'll cancel the return to home and just fly around a little bit. So yeah, there you can see the highway going west in the nice fields. So yeah, a little bit of a disconnect there with it being too far away, and there's our highway going east. Actually, I'm going to take it up a little bit more, so that way it may not lose connection so easily. And we'll take it right up to the 300 foot level, I guess. Yeah, there. Okay, there were 304. So yeah, you can see pretty good up there. And like I say, we can see the golden fields of wheat ready to harvest. It is August 29th, 2020. And yeah, I am down there about center screen. You see two little white cars or two white vehicles and a single white vehicle. Well, I'm the single white vehicle or just in front of it. And flying around a bit. Okay. And as we rotate, we can see the highway down below us there, of course. And cars zipping along it. And anyway, I just wanted to do the quickie video here and show you guys what it's all about. And that's a pretty nice looking lake. I don't know how big it actually is, but I know it curves way around back there, and maybe we can dare to go up a little bit more here. We might be able to see a bit more of it. Okay, so
Maximum flight altitude reached.
yep, exactly 400 feet. So and let's just pan it around. You can see the lake goes off around the corner there quite a ways, and it's quite a big lake actually. And you can see the fields quite nicely, and of course the highway curving around. Beautiful stuff. Yeah, so yeah, actually you can see a little bit more of town there now that I'm up a little higher. So that's kind of cool. I don't really want to fly too far over there because there is a lot of the towers over there. But anyway, I'll bring her back down a little bit. And I think we'll fly it towards me here. Okay, so it says the bird is about 400 feet away from me, so yeah, it's right above me. Gotta be up there somewhere. I don't see it. But we'll bring it down and it should show up. Don't see it yet, but then again, that doesn't surprise me. Okay, so we're at 200 feet. I do not see the bird. I know it's up there somewhere. Gotta be up there somewhere. We'll bring it down to 100 feet and see if I can see it. Okay, so that's about 100 feet. 103, 102, 101. Okay. I'm going to try to bring it right over top of me. Oh, I see it now. Ooh, I want to go the other way. And there it is. So yeah, that's, whoop, get her back up there. Kind of where I'm at. And give you a quick pan around here. while I'm down low. So that don't look too bad. Back up. Yeah, they got a bunch of towers around here, so got to be careful where you're flying, and got to watch out for signals. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys what that looked like real quick, and I'm gonna bring this little birdie back home. And we'll bring her back down. And there I am. Okay, so before we landed, I'll do a quick pan around. Okay, well, we're gonna bring her down, and I think I will maybe, hang on, I'm gonna land it rather than trying to catch it, so. Okay, time to land.
Landing.
Well, that's it, guys. Another happy flight. And it's beeping at me. I don't know why. Maybe it's got dirt on its sensors. Okay. Yep, definitely beeping. Well, that's it for now, guys. Till the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next flight. Safe travels, happy flying, and no crashing. Bye for now.